Hello everyone! Good evening! Ngayon, ang activity po na gagawin ni Lagata is mag-a-unboxing po sila ng daddy niya para sa kanyang baby chair. Kasi nag-i-start na po siyang kumain ng solid food. So, nag-order ho ang kanyang daddy ng baby chair. So, let us see how it looks like. Kung maganda ba siya talaga o sa picture lang. Hindi ko pa rin ho alam. Sabi niya surprise daw po niya sa akin. So, hindi ko alam kung ano itong in-order niya. Pagdating ko galing sa work, andito na ho siya sa bahay. Okay. Ayan ho. Mag-unboxing na ho ang daddy ni Lagata. Okay, let's see. Bali, itong chair na to, magagamit po siya ng start from 6 months to 3 years old. So, kung talagang good quality siya, aba, worth it na po yung... It's sale only today, Habi, right?
Yeah, the sale, yeah.
No. 79 euro siya, naging 44 na lang. So, worth it siya kung 3 years niyong magagamit, di ba? Wow! It's a pink color! Let's see how it looks like. Ooh la la, Lagata. Do you like it? There must be a book, Ada.
Oh, yeah, I'll need the book.
Ayan, i-assemble na din ho ng kanyang daddy. Color pink. How many color do they have?
3.
So ang available color po niya is pink,
Gray and black.
gray, and black. Ang pangalan ho ng chair is Ding Nemo Baby High Chair. Do you like it, Lagata? Yeah, Daddy is making it. Fixing it. Fixing it for you. Kasi sa ngayon, dun pa lang ho namin siya pinapakain dun sa bouncy-bouncy niya. Eh, medyo pahiga na kasi nga, mabigat si Lagata. Kahit pinakalas namin siya ilagay, nakahiga pa rin.
Yeah, check the book. You check where that belongs.
Look. Go, go, Daddy. Go, go, Daddy. Go, go, Daddy.
Right.
It's to the other side as well.
I know.
Yes.
The pin.
So do you need help?
And of course, not.
Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Dati ho, Wesley really hate pink. But now, walang hate pagdating kay Lagata.
Because I hate pink. I'm a real man, you know. I'm a buckler.
That is the first word he learned from Tagalog words. Bakla.
Yeah, I'm Balpita.
Kasi pag naiinis ho ako, ganun sinasabihan ko siya minsan ng ganun.
I not really true what you're saying.
Okay.
De wisseling meteen een takelblok is Malkita.
Oh, mahal kita.
Think you will
Okay.
know one.
Yan na. Okay. It's almost done.
This one can higher.
Okay.
Need to swipe feet and need to check what size. Can more higher in your own.
Look, Lagata, it's almost done. Na 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 na. La na 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 na.
It belongs in here.
I think there.
Yeah. Let me speak.
Ayan. Almost done. There you go.
Yeah, I need to arrange first.
I need to arrange the seatbelt, is it?
Of course.
Okay.
New.
Okay. Hello, my chickens.
This one is a little nothing inside.
So, ang ina-arrange na lang ho ngayon ni Wesley is the belt. So,
Yeah.
tingnan natin.
Now I need to check on this one.
Ayan siya. Okay. Ayan.
This one.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding.
Put it out. Hello. Fica fácil, no? Chill.
Ayan o ang kanyang itsura. So, kakain na. Okay, now we're gonna put lagata. Okay, put it. And then, she cannot move it through.
Yeah, I need to arrange things first, but yes.
Yes, it's okay. Where's the other one?
Behind there, and this one.
Okay,
That one first.
lagata.
Picture.
I need to arrange first. Let's put it.
Nice.
One more,
Happy ah.
You want to ask the same? Hey?
Lagata, you like it?
You might.
Alam mo kung gusto nila agata.
Gusto nga niya.
Okay.
Also,
Lagata.
Ayan, Daddy, you did it.
Smile.
Ayan. Ooh, she likes it. Happy even when she watching. Lagata, look. Ayun, hindi siya gigiwang-giwang, be. Oh, hindi siya yung pupunta-punta dito, pupunta-punta doon. Look.
Kala niya tuloy. Kala niya lalayas kayo.
Lagata, do you like it? Do you like it, City Pie? Ayan. Ayan ho, oh. Ang kanyang ding baby high chair.
see? So?
Ayan. Say thank you, Bear Daddy. Thank you, Bear Daddy. Kiss Daddy. Oh. Alam mo, gusto niya.
You like
Eh? And now, we're gonna try. Okay. Here's your baby book. You can play now. Read a book, Lagata. Read a book. Eh? How she likes?
Yan naman ang laruan dyan. Tapos manood ng TV, ganyan oh.
Of course, you like this special chair, no? An organic chair.
Wow,
It's
she
also
likes
really
it.
soft, no?
Yeah, and the seat belt.
Yeah, I know.
It's just fine.
Because I arranged it.
It's just fine. Perfect.